Hi guys, Mr. Hescock's back, working physical science, chapter 1. We're going to go into the third section of chapter 1 on mixed and pure substances. Your warm-up question is, what is a molecule? A molecule is two or more atoms chemically bonded together by a covalent bond. So let's go back in and talk some more about substances. Quick science joke of the day. Why shouldn't you trust an atom? They make up everything. Ha ha ha. Matter can combine to form different substances. Matter can be pure, one substance, or it can be two or more substances mixed together. Air that we're sitting in is a mixture of gases. The bulk of it is nitrogen, then some oxygen, carbon dioxide, some argon, and a whole bunch of other little trace elements as you go down through. Those are gold bars in this picture, and those gold bars are considered to be pure, or as pure as you can get gold. Most of the time when we use a necklace or a ring or some type of jewelry with gold, it's 10 karat, 14 karat, or even 18 karat gold. Most gold necklaces are 14 because gold is very soft, and the more gold in something, the softer it is. If you had an 18 karat gold wedding ring, it can actually wear itself apart. A pure substance has only one type of element or one type of molecule. Pure water has only H2O, so that's water. It could be pure table salt, NaCl. It could be hydrogen peroxide, which is H2O2, but that's just one type of molecule there. An element is a substance made up of only one type of atom. Now, you probably have seen many elements on the periodic table. Some types of elements can be carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and even hydrogen for that matter. A compound is a pure substance that consists of two or more different types of atoms bonded together. Compounds have much different properties than that of what they're made of. Salt, good on your french fries, good on potato chips, is sodium chloride. Sodium readily catches fire. Chlorine is extremely poisonous. When you put them together, we get yummy table salt. Mixtures are not pure substances. Mixtures are a combination of many different substances. Some examples of mixtures could be Kool-Aid, coffee, salad dressings are usually mixtures, especially Italian. Other examples of mixtures, salt water, blood, and then just salad. Now in this picture here to the right, which actually links to that video, you'll see macaroni salad. So you've got pasta and mayonnaise, which are the two biggest constituents. You use a little bit of vinegar and then all the vegetables. The trick to a mixture that each thing doesn't lose its properties. Mixtures can be evenly spread out, like soda can be a mixture or Kool-Aid can be a mixture. But this case, you're going to get maybe carrot in one bite, maybe celery in another, maybe egg in a bite, maybe in another. So you can have different kinds. My children, who I love to talk about, love party mix with the pretzels and Doritos and tortilla chips and barbecued corn chips are always good, but they love that stuff and they pick them apart. Speaking of mixtures, so this is a picture of Chex Mix just from a bag. A mixture can remain the same throughout. We call that a homogeneous mixture. Mixtures can be separated by their physical means. You could pick out these little crackers. You could pick out the Melba toast. You could pick out the pretzels. You could pick out the Chex. So you could physically separate these mixtures, or you could do it by your hands. You could use different types of filters, like a coffee filter separates the water and the coffee grounds. But compounds cannot be separated by a filter or something like that. You have to literally use um, some type of chemical process to separate a compound. Proportions in mixtures can vary, while compounds are fixed. You always have carbon dioxide as CO2. Anything other than CO2 is not carbon dioxide. So here are some key facts about mixtures and compounds. Two or more substances physically combined makes a mixture, meaning that you can undo it. So when we talk about physically, so mixtures can be physically separated. This could be as easy as boiling, it could be filtering, it could be straining. The substances retain their own property. Perfect example, salt water. You can taste the water, you can taste the salt. The salt didn't disappear. They have to be separated in some sort of physical means. And mixtures do not have a definite chemical composition. Think about your bottle of Italian dressing. You have to shake it up, and it's never the same in two different places. But compounds, on the other hand, are chemically combined, like CO2 or H2O. They are very specific. When you combine carbon and oxygen, you lose your properties. They can only be separated by chemical means, not physical, and compounds have a very definite chemical formula. This is water. This is hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide will kill you if you drink it. Water is good. There are two classes of mixtures. Homogeneous mixtures are the same throughout. The particles are relatively the same size. Most commonly noted for this would be like Kool-Aid. The particles are evenly spread out because of the way they're made. You can get homogenized things like milk. Homogenized means that they break up all the fat and particles so that it's nice and smooth. Heterogeneous mixtures have hetero means different. So if we were looking at these words, the word prefix homo means the same, where hetero means different in Latin. So different size particles in different areas, soil, Italian dressing, trail mix, your blood technically too. All right, let's play a little review here. Is it a mixture or is it a pure substance? A cookie. Is that cookie a mixture or is it a pure substance? Is it a mixture or is it a pure substance? Let's play a little game here and see how much you know. Here's a cookie. Are the particles the same throughout? Nope. This is a mixture. That is a bar of platinum. Are the particles the same throughout? Nope. That is a pure substance because platinum in this case is pure. This is lemonade. Is lemonade a mixture or pure? Well, clearly this is different down here than up here, so this has to be a mixture. All right, so gasoline in the good old days was pure. But today it's actually mixed with ethanol. So depending on how you answer that on a test, I would take different answers. Soil. Well, you can see by all these particles here, soil is a mixture. That's a bar of gold. Gold is pure in this case. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our lesson. Make sure you're getting your work done. Make sure you're watching those little videos that have extra explanation. And you guys be safe. Be here next time. And Mr. Hescox, and I'll catch you later.